Hello everyone. In this video, we study about Fourier half-range sine series. First, we define the definition of sine series. For that, we consider if the function f of x is defined on the interval, c to c plus L, then the half-range sine series half-range sine series of f of x is given by the formula f of x is equal to summation n running from 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by L, where the formula to find the Fourier coefficient bn is given by it is 2 by L integral c to c plus L f of x into sine n pi x by L. So this is the required Fourier sine series for the given function f of x equal to some arbitrary function defined on the interval c to c plus L. Now we move to an example now. Suppose if I want to find out the half-range sine series of the function f of x is equal to x square, where x takes the values between 0 to pi. So moving to the solution part. So we know that the function is defined on the interval. The function is defined on the interval 0, pi. But from the definition of the sine series, the interval is c to c plus L. Now I compare this given interval with the general interval. So by comparing 0, pi with the interval c to c plus L, so in place of c we have 0. So in the general formula we have to substitute c is equal to 0, and the substitution for L we have to find out. So in place of c plus L we have pi. But since the value of c is equal to 0, if I substitute c is equal to 0 in this, we get L is equal to pi. So if I want to find out the sine half-range series of f of x equal to x square in the interval 0, pi, I have to substitute c equal to 0 and L is equal to pi in the general interval. So now we take a Fourier sine series formula now. So this implies the Fourier sine half-range series Fourier sine half-range series of f of x defined on the interval 0, pi is given by in the general formula the L should be substituted as pi. It is f of x equal to summation n running from 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by L value is pi here. I can able to cancel this pi and pi. This becomes sine nx. Now we consider the formula for a bn now. Bn is 2 by L integral c to c plus L f of x into sine n pi x by L into dx. Now I substitute the value of L is equal to pi in this now. We get Bn equal to 2 by L value is pi integral c is 0. 0 plus pi becomes pi here. F of x is x square into sine n pi x by pi. I can cancel this pi and pi. Now I apply the Bernoulli rule of integration here. This is 2 by pi into integration of x square into sine nx. This is first function into integration of sine is minus cos nx divided by n minus sign from the Bernoulli rule. Differentiation of x square is 2x into minus as it is. Integration of again cos is sine nx divided by n. N into n becomes n square plus 2x differentiation will become 2 into minus of sine integration is again minus cos nx by n cube. So this is between the limits 0 to pi. So if I substitute a limit for the second term, for the upper limit it becomes sine n pi minus, for lower limit it becomes sine 0. For both upper and lower limit, this second term will go to 0. Now I substitute limits only for the first and the last term. So we get bn equal to, it is 2 by pi into minus 1 by n is constant into x square cos nx between the limits. This becomes pi square cos n pi minus 0 into cos 0. Moving to the last term, minus into minus is plus, 2 by n cube is constant, plus 2 by n cube into cos nx between the limits. So this becomes cos n pi minus cos 0. So if I simplify this, this becomes 2 by pi into minus pi square into cos n pi value is minus 1 to the power of n divided by n. This becomes 0, again plus 2 times cos n pi value is minus 1 to the power of n divided by n cube minus 2 by n cube into 1. This becomes 2 by n cube. So we multiply 2 by pi inside now. We get bn is equal to, this is minus 2 times pi and pi get cancels, pi square get cancels here. This is minus 2 times pi into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n plus 2 into 2 it becomes 4 times minus 1 to the power of n divided by pi n cube minus 4 divided by pi n cube. So this is the required Fourier coefficient of bn. Now we write down the Fourier sine series, that is f of x is equal to bn summation n running from 1 to infinity. Bn is minus 2 times pi minus 1 power n divided by n plus 4 times minus 1 power n divided by pi n cube minus 4 divided by pi n cube into sine n pi x by n. So this becomes sine nx. So this is the required Fourier sine half range series for the given function. Thank you all.